everybody. It's Sunday, December 2nd. Cruising along in our Subaru hatchback, and as you can see, it's raining. The project yesterday was preparing for this. We spent most of the afternoon into last night at the shop, basically preparing for a flood. Low-lying area, and actually just off of the Truckee River, which flows down from the Sierras. We're having a lot of rain today. They're predicting flooding. So we spent our time yesterday sandbagging the shop. I took the bucket loader that we have and created some dirt berms and so forth, and kind of doing everything that we could to prepare for high water. We've had the shop has been flooded out a couple times in recent memory. First time was in 1997, and then the second one was either 2005 or 2006. The one in 97 being a significant flood with several feet of water in the building. All the outlying stuff completely submerged. So we're just taking a little ride. I don't know if we will be able to get in to the shop. I'm kind of actually going in the back way. I'm not going on the interstate. And we'll see if we can get in and take a look and see what's going on. The police were actually supposed to shut everything down and block it off into the industrial area so you can't get in. So like I say, I'm kind of going in the back way, and we'll see if we can get in. So I'll turn you back on when we get a little closer. Alright, so we kind of come in the back way here, and so far I haven't seen much of anything, so maybe we'll get lucky on this one. The thing is, here in the desert, what it does is we get two things going on. We get the rain that falls here. When we get a lot of rain, it has nowhere to go. It doesn't soak into the ground. The ground is so hard, it just runs off. And you combine that with, the 30 to 40 inches of snowfall that we've had in the Sierras in the last couple days. When that melts quickly, now we get a little water gathering in some places here. When that melts quickly, it just runs off down the Truckee River. So here we are coming up on the back of the shop. See what it looks like around the back here. So far we're looking just fine with no issues. We have kind of a, let's see. Let's see. We're gathering some water right there around the loading area. All in all, doesn't look too off of that. Okay, we'll inside. And we got some water gathering there. You see there's a truck over there with a snowplow on it. That's our snowplow truck, and that truck sitting right here has actually been totally submerged twice when the water came up. So we'll let's turn one of our pumps on here. Get to work. Nothing too big. I think that they don't expect the river to crest until later this afternoon or tonight. We'll wander up towards the front, see what's going on the other side. See it come in the back way. Got everything inside. This is what we do here, by the way. That's a turbocharger for a General Electric locomotive. And that's just the turbocharger itself, about 1,800 pounds. Pretty cool stuff. But that's essentially one of the ones we do here. We do General Electric. Electromotive diesel. We are the OEM for Alco locomotives and power plant engines. Get into all kinds of stuff here. So far, I think everything's kind of cool. Let's see what we got going on out the front. We did bagged up around this door. We burned up over there. Got a little bit over in the corner of the parking lot. Nothing else. So far so good. We'll how's that for a compressor? We'll take a ride over. The river is just right here, and so far they don't have anything blocked up, so take a ride over, see what that looks like. But like I say, take the flooding when they call for the possibility of flooding here. We actually take it very seriously, because things get bad here. And before you know it, you're underwater, and having it already happen a couple times, kind of sensitive to it. So far, it doesn't look too bad. We'll go out and see what the river's doing. Okay, turn you back on in a sec. Okay, so we're just pulling right out. That right there, that pump that we just turned on the inside, that's pumping that water back out into the street from in by the loading dock area. So that's working. That's always good to see that pump doing its thing. Closed up. Alright, we'll go over and take a look at the river, see what's going on. So far, no problemo. Actually, there used to be a lot of buildings and businesses out here, but they've actually torn them down because they're working on some kind of a flood abatement thing that they've still got a ways to go. But. So we're gathering. Oh, okay. Yeah, we got some water. Take a little look. Oh yeah, the water is up. This is the Truckee River. This is what does flood. So it's getting pretty much full. You can see down there, they probably only got another few feet. And they're not expecting to have crest until later this afternoon or tonight. So we'll just keep an eye on it. See all the junk floating down through, ducks. But yeah, there's some stuff floating down through. So the water is high. Not exactly there yet, but it's up probably, I'd say, I'm gonna guess, it's only a guess, but I'd say it's probably 5 or 6 feet higher than it was yesterday. So right now the rain is pretty much let up, at least here, but the problem is upstream and in the Sierras, you have no idea what's going on. So so far so good. That's basically what we're doing today, is we're keeping an eye on all this, really hoping that it doesn't amount to anything, and that the preparations that we've already done, if it should come up over a little bit, are enough to take care of what we get. There's our driveway right there in front of us. You can see I put a berm right across, kind of level it up with the rest of the banks and so forth. So it's kind of, we sandbagged everything. So I think we've kind of done what we can do, and that's kind of it for now. So Once again, tonight's Sunday. Tonight is the Mumble, and hope to get on and we'll see what's going on. I didn't get on last week, finishing up the Mustang project. So all in all, I'll talk to you guys later.